Consumers today have become increasingly aware of the ingredients used in baked goods. Nutrilac will help you afford premium ingredients such as chocolate, flour, oil and free-range eggs, or allow you to invest in better packaging. For more info, please visit arlafoodsingredients.com. Used in baked goods such as pound cakes, snack cakes, muffins and layer cakes, Nutrilac helps you reduce egg whites by 50%. You simply add it to a bakery mix with a few minor adjustments. For more info, please visit arlafoodsingredients.com. Nutrilac is a high-quality ingredient. A hormone-free and non-GMO whey protein with the same textural benefits as egg white. For more info, please visit arlafoodsingredients.com. An application specialist from Arla Foods Ingredients will work closely with you to help you incorporate Nutrilac into your bakery products and give them a quality boost with improved structure, freshness and product consistency. For more info, please visit arlafoodsingredients.com.